In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your YouTube channel subscribers. This will help you check your channel subscriber list. I will definitely show you how to do this on mobile, and I will show you how to do this on your computer. The only subscribers you will not find on this list are YouTube subscribers that have decided to keep their subscription private. On your mobile, you do not want to go to the YouTube Studio application. Here you won't be able to see your channel subscriber list. You want to open Chrome. Once you have Chrome open, you want to search for YouTube Studio. Search for YouTube Studio, and then you're going to see YouTube Studio. You do not want to tap on this first option. Now, if you tap on this option, it's going to take you and open the YouTube Studio mobile, which you won't still be able to see your channel subscribers on. Now, what you want to do is tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your Chrome, and you have to be signed in into your Chrome account. And scroll to the bottom. Here you're going to see desktop site. Tap desktop site. Instead of tapping on YouTube Studio, you want to hold down on it and then open in a new tab. Tap on the numbers of tab you have, and you will see the one with the YouTube Studio on it. Tap on this, and you'll be taken directly to your YouTube Studio. If you're not taken directly to this website, you'll be asked to continue on mobile or continue on website. Tap on continue on website, and this will bring you here. On the website, you're going to see recent subscribers. Come to this section where it says CO. Tap on CO, and this will give you your subscriber list, the numbers of people that are subscribed to your channel, the dates they subscribe, their subscriber count, and then an action that you can take to subscribe to their channel or to unsubscribe from their channel. You can also customize this by tapping on the lifetime. Here you can select to see the subscribers you've had between the last 7 days, 28 days, 90 days, and so on. If you want more to be displayed, you want to come to the bottom, and here you're going to see rows per page. Tap on this, and you have 10, 30, and 50. If you tap on 50, what this is going to do is going to list 50 of your subscribers on a row, so you can see more out of your subscriber list. Also, you can zoom in, and then at the bottom, you can tap on next to show you the next 50 of your YouTube subscriber list. This is just to show you how you can do this on mobile. It's more convenient to see this while using a computer. To do this on your computer, you want to open your browser and go to youtube.com. Once open, you want to come to the top left corner of your screen to click on your profile. Here you are going to see YouTube Studio in the drop down. Click on this, and this will take you to your YouTube channel studio. On your studio, you want to scroll down a little, and you're going to see recent subscribers. Click on CO, and you'll be able to see your recent subscribers. You can also customize, and if you scroll to the bottom, you can next and customize the number of rows per page. If you want to know how to keep your YouTube channel subscription private, you can click to watch at the end of this video, or you can check the link in the description. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to see YouTube channel subscribers, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and have its post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.